Xiamen Yinfu Industrial and Amp Trading Company Limited, established in 2002, is a leading manufacturer specializing in OEM and ODM services. The company focuses on the design and development of horse equestrian and pet products in China. Located in Xiamen, it occupies a total area of over 12,000 square meters. Its main products are saddle pads, horse clothes, bridle ropes, and horse protective gear, and so on. Products are primarily exported to developed markets such as the United States, Europe, and Australia. The company offers a wide range of popular styles in both Western and English equestrian gear, and is also capable of developing customized products based on customer samples or drawings to meet diverse market demands. Leveraging its technical expertise, the company emphasizes OEM and ODM services and provides reliable tailored solutions by closely following clients' specifications and blueprints. We can quickly start the sample, ensure delivery time, and meet different needs of customers. Our top-notch quality and punctual delivery time have tremendously facilitated our clients' business growth. With continuous improvements and expansions in product lines, the company is now able to supply nearly the entire range of products for horses, dogs, and their owners. Committed to excellence, the dedicated team strives to meet the evolving needs of customers and achieve high levels of satisfaction. Our goal is to produce and supply the qualified products with reasonable price according to customers' requirements. We sincerely hope to cooperate with all parties at home and abroad, and will provide you with the best products and quality services for common development.